Hello and welcome to day 5, Friday, March 26th. Let's see what we have to do for today. It is Friday. That means it's an async day. We will not meet on Zoom as a class. However, I do have office hours and I will be meeting with these people at these designated times to talk about their short-term SMART goals. Okay? So I will meet with each of these people at their designated time to talk about their short-term SMART goals. However, I will be available from 11:15 to 11:45 if you have questions about anything. So for your assignment, you have two things to do. So the first one is the Spark. It's almost the end of the month, so you have 5 more days to complete at least 8 articles to see your score improve. Okay, so you'll read Preparing to Interview. And your next assignment is Flipgrid. We talked about Flipgrid yesterday, but for those who are not here, you can actually do this on the computer. You don't necessarily have to do it on your phone. And you will click here and you will read the assignment. Well, actually, you will go through a different step. So once you click here, you will click join with Google and you will sign in with your Carlos Rosario email. If you use another email besides your Carlos Rosario email, you will not be able to get in. So you sign in with your Carlos Rosario email. Here is your assignment. You're going to create a video about your work experience, but you're using the present perfect. And you will record your response. Here is my example and there's a video and then you'll submit. There's a video here that Nick made that actually walks you through the video. Okay, so you click how to use Flipgrid and you click that and then you'll see his video. But you do have the option to do it on your phone rather than doing it on the computer, or you can do it on the computer and not your phone. It's up to you. If you choose to do it on your phone, you need to download the app Flipgrid. If you choose to do it on the computer, you just click here and follow these steps. Okay, and that's it for the week. Good luck.